And Ascension Healthcare confirming tonight a ransomware attack this week. The healthcare system is working with the FBI to investigate. Staff told us last week they can't access patients' medical history. They're also having a hard time paging doctors and getting scans and x-rays. Their update says the restoration will take time to complete, but didn't specify how long. Ascension didn't say if they paid the ransom. Today marks the first day of National Police Week. 5 fallen Wisconsin officers will be honored in Washington, D.C. Their names have been added to the National Law Enforcement Memorial, including Milwaukee police officer Peter Jerving. He died after being shot in the line of duty last year. Their names will be read aloud during a candlelight vigil Monday night. This afternoon, Milwaukee law enforcement flew in to the D.C. airport for Police Week. The honor guard greeted the officers, including Chief Jeffrey Norman, with a salute. 12 News cameras capturing that arrival. 12 News' Diana Gutierrez is in D.C. for the ceremony, so watch 12 News at 10 tonight and tomorrow for special coverage. Now to Commitment 2024. President Joe Biden returning to Wisconsin last week for his 4th visit of the year. The president went to Racine hoping to connect with Black voters.
I really think democracy is at stake here. Not a joke.
President Biden met with a group of Black voters at the city's Bryant Community Center, a constituency his campaign has been targeting with the belief Black voters could determine who wins the White House.
Someone who I could kind of sympathize with me, someone who kind of knows my situation and knows what I'm going through, and can kind of be on the same accord as me.
The latest polling shows just 37% of Black voters in Wisconsin say they're very enthusiastic about November's presidential election. We'll also take a closer look at the role the Black vote could have in the outcome of the election. That's tonight at 11 on Upfront. Still ahead, a major traffic backup outside the Milwaukee Zoo. The special celebration for moms drawing the huge crowd. Plus, new floral decorations at the Pabst Mansion and a timely tutorial on making your own arrangements this Mother's Day.